How we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon workshop. Today I'm going to clean up another knife out of the rust bucket. This is a Columbia River knife and tool, CRKT. This particular knife is what they call it, a Hammond. One of the things I love about these new modern folders is the fact that you can quickly disassemble these and repair and or clean them fairly easy without having to drill out and grind out pins and risk breaking scales and so on and so forth. So this is going to make cleaning up this knife pretty nice compared to some of the others. You will notice it's quite grubby. But most of this is rust that's like laying on the surface. It was in a bucket of rusty water. So it should clean up pretty nice. There is some pretty heavy scaling on the blade, and you saw it right there. The edge, it's a little marred up where that heavy rust is. I'm going to have to put a new edge on it. But this knife's going to clean up that little lock right there. I know that was pretty fast, but that locks the liner lock so that it's impossible to release the liner lock accidentally with that on. Although I've never, ever run across a liner lock that I was able to accidentally open up. But it's still a good feature, a good safety to have. And I'm hoping that I can turn this $2 knife back into a good working knife. It's a good sized knife, fits well in my hand. I have, fairly large hands, and it's just a good all-around work knife, partially serrated. The edge is not great right now, but I'll fix that because it has those rusty pits on the actual blade edge. And I'm hoping that soon we'll have this put back together. And here we go, all cleaned up, reassembled, and there it is. I think it looks pretty good. You'll have to excuse the traffic background noise. I have a little bit of adjustments to do here. You can see the CRKT logo kind of got rubbed out a little bit, getting some of the rust off of it. But other than that, there's that spot on this side right here that has, it's like it's been electric wire or something. It's kind of scorched on there. It's a raised edge, and you can see the pits on the actual edge of the blade there. But all in all, with a little help, it flicks out pretty nice. I'm not a thumb flipper guy. It does have that stud. I'll cut myself if I try. But all in all, it cleaned up pretty decent. It'll be a nice, tough job I don't want to risk a better knife on. And it'll do the job. So there you go, folks. I'm near the end of the video here, running out of stuff to yak about. It's, again, I got this knife from Guns and Comics in a bucket of knives that were exposed to water and left to sort of rust and decay. And I think I have $2 in this knife. Not bad for $2. So there you go, folks. Until I see you all again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a beautiful day.